Let's learn how you can change your phone number on your Apple ID. So the first step is to open your settings application. Now you want to click on your Apple ID account. Here you want to click on sign in and security option. So this second one. And now you will see this email and phone numbers section. Here you want to click on this displayed phone number. And as you can see here, it says that if you want to remove this number, you need to turn off iMessage and FaceTime first. So I want to show that in this tutorial, but you have to turn off it first, then come back right here, and now you need to click on this add email or phone number option. Now you will have to choose between these two. You want to click on phone number, and here you want to select your country code and phone number digits. Now click on continue. You will have to verify your new number, and that's it. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.